On a seemingly ordinary day, a legendary figure was about to face an extraordinary challenge. Harrison Ford, known for his iconic roles in Hollywood, was piloting his World War II era Ryan PT-22 Recruit. Shortly after takeoff from Santa Monica Airport, disaster struck. The engine failed, leaving Ford with limited options. With years of flying experience and a cool head under pressure, Ford made a critical decision. He needed to land, and fast. Spotting a nearby golf course, he skillfully guided the powerless aircraft towards it, avoiding houses and people. With precision and calm, Ford executed an emergency landing. The plane hit the ground hard, but safely. Despite injuries, Ford's quick thinking and decisive actions saved his life and potentially others on the ground. Our take on this incident highlights two crucial points. First, Ford's skillful landing ensured no one on the ground was hurt. Second, his calm and spontaneous response under immense pressure is a testament to the importance of maintaining composure in emergencies. Every pilot, whether a seasoned veteran or a student, can learn from this real-life drama. Remember, in the sky, it's not just about flying, it's about staying prepared for the unexpected.